Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use retime controls in DaVinci Resolve. This powerful feature gives you complete control over your clip's playback speed, allowing you to create slow motion effects, speed ramps, and dynamic timing adjustments that can really elevate your video editing projects. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application, and let's get started with the setup. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the timeline controls and clip manipulation tools you need. Now locate any clip on your timeline that you want to adjust. Right-click on this clip, and from the menu that appears, select Retime Controls. This is the key step that unlocks all the speed adjustment features we'll be working with today. You'll immediately notice that your clip on the timeline changes appearance. This visual change indicates that retime controls are now activated and ready to use. The clip will display additional markers and control points that weren't visible before. Look for a small arrow down icon that appears on your clip. Click on it to reveal a comprehensive menu of timing options. You'll see several powerful features listed here, including add speed point, clear speed point, change speed, reset to 100%, freeze frame, reverse segment, rewind, and speed ramp. Each of these options gives you different ways to manipulate your clip's timing and playback speed. Let's start by exploring the add speed point feature, which is one of the most versatile tools available. First, position your playhead exactly where you want to create a speed change. Then click the arrow down and select Add Speed Point. You'll see that a new speed point's added to your clip at that exact location. Now comes the fun part. You can drag the white line on your clip either up or down to adjust the playback speed. Dragging it down makes the clip play slower, while dragging it up speeds things up. This gives you precise control over the pacing of your footage. If you decide you don't like the speed point you've created, removing it is simple. Click the arrow down again and this time select Clear Speed Point. This will remove the adjustment and return that section to its original speed. For more straightforward speed adjustments, click the arrow down and select Change Speed. This option lets you enter a specific percentage to make your clip slower or faster without adding individual speed points. It's perfect for when you need a consistent speed change across the entire clip. And if you ever want to undo your speed changes and start fresh, just click Reset to 100%. This instantly returns your clip to its original playback speed. And that's how you use retime controls in DaVinci Resolve to create professional looking speed effects and timing adjustments in your videos. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.